In this video, I want to talk about how you can use the Webull simulator, which is also called paper trading. Now to do this, you can use the app or the desktop version, or just go to the website webull.com, head over to the trader, and once you're inside of the trader, there will be a button called paper trading. Inside of here, this is now your simulator, and these are the real live markets, but the money that you're using is obviously fake money. So what you can do is, I have removed all of these, so you will be able to see your account balance and everything in here. Somewhere here you can add it if you want to. As you can see, you have many different things that you can add. You can add right here, account details. So you can see this is, you get 1 million fake money that you can use in the market, and of course it's not gonna actually be used in the market, it's just gonna be for you to practice trading. But the market is real data, so just keep that in mind. Then you can type here which one you want to do, and the same for here, and then you can buy and sell. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.